Hannah with Fanciful Spaces. Today I'm going to do a mini tutorial on a gel press. Recently in the Kindred Stamps Facebook group we're doing an ATC card swap. An ATC is an artist trading card which measures about 3.5 inches by about 2.5 inches. And these are little mini works of art that are intended to be traded amongst friends. I will be putting my name and information on the back side here so the recipients know who it came from, and in future years will know what it was associated with. But I created this background using a gel press, and I had some questions in the group about how I did it, so I figured I would talk a bit about that. Now I have two gel presses. This one has this plastic sheet right here. It is thick and squishy. It's about 1/2 inch thick, and it is a little bit larger than a full sheet of paper, I think. It's a bit bigger than what we need to use today, so we will be using the smaller one. Now, I recently got back from Creativation, and I took a gel press class there. I will be sharing all sorts of awesome information that I learned from that gel press class. But this is a little mini one. It measures 3 inches by 5 inches. And this was given to me at the gel press class. See here, it's about the same. It's got some gush on it. And I am going to be using this. I'm also going to be using some distress inks to color my card. Horrid sound. So to start, I'm going to ink up my Gelli Plate, my gel plate, with my distress ink, making sure I get full coverage, but not really caring what goes where too much. You can see here I did focus some different colors here than up here, and all I did was just focus on specific areas. Now, to get that awesome texture that you see here, this hexagon type texture, I found a trivet in my local grocery shop, and I placed it down, press it. I don't know if you can see. Maybe if I have something white underneath. But there is some of the hexagon details on there. And when I lay my piece of paper down on it and press it down, what I get are those hexagons. Now, I didn't stop there. I went a little bit further. I'm now going to take some Distress Ink Lucky Clover, focusing this on the top half. Notice I didn't clean my Gelli Plate. I am just smacking this stuff right back on top of it. And doing the same with this, which happens to be Distress Ink and Mowed Lawn. I am taking the same trivet, pressing it down, and then I'm going to take that same piece of paper and press it down again. And there we go. Now, there is some metallicness in there. And one of the things that I did was I took some gold Heidi Swap Color Shine. I happened to get this on clearance at one of my big box retail stores. You can use probably any shimmer spray from Tattered Angels or anywhere else that you happen to have, but this is what I had on hand and I wanted a gold. And I'm going to spray on my work surface. just a little bit. I'm going to take my hexagons and I'm going to press them down. You can see my hexagon marks. Press that in. And voila. You can see my hexagons. And there we go. Just a little mini tutorial on this Gelli plate. Thank you so much, and I hope you stay crafty.